This time on One Man's Trash, the cash register is all done. Just wanted to show you guys how it came out and how it works. Okay, so paper roll holder. And with these machines, it was select which drawer. So we have HKLM, which is the top 4 drawers. You'll see that. So the top 4 drawers, HKLM, and that coincided with the switches and the switch over here. And then when you select, say select M, it shows M up in the display. And then make your sale, so cash or received on account, and then price. Select your price and then crank the handle. Now this one had an electric motor. I didn't dare attempting to make it work again. The cord was chewed and I just didn't want to burn the house down, so I abandoned the electric motor and just went with hand crank. So you see when that first click, it popped that drawer open. And it clears it back to 0. And there's kind of a lot happening at that. There's so many things happening. The printer is over here. Obviously I just have it covered up. But during those two full rotations, like I said, the first turn is just popping the register open, popping the drawer open, and then clearing your display to zeros. Then the second full rotation is pulling down all the numbers. Somewhere right at the end, it selects all those numbers and prints it. And then it also is adding all those numbers on the other side for that register. When you select this drawer, it also selects a tally inside here that adds up for that drawer. So at the end of the day, you can do a printout of that drawer, or each drawer, and it keeps a tally of how much was sold on that drawer. So there's actually a lot happening in here that you don't see, and a whole lot happening under here for the printer. But that's the basic operation. It still does not turn great, not turning easy. But I have no idea how long this thing was used. It was built in 1920. The date was set under here to December 1950. And then of course it was at my parents' house, so we played with it for many years too. So I'm assuming it was used for 30 years, so it doesn't turn as well as it did when it was first made. But still, functions though. The hold downs in there. And see whichever drawer I select. If I select K, you actually don't have to do any numbers to make it turn. Just pop that drawer out. And that's it. I thought the brass came out real nice. Did not like the fake wood paint on it, so came out all shiny. That's about it. Now I'm just gonna already put it up for sale, so we'll see who wants it.